Navigation drill-down menu. This is an alternative to a drop-down menu that works well on mobile devices since it takes up less space on the screen. Let's see the different variations that we got. We have the basic drill-down menu here. We can see that we have a sub-menu appearing on top of the main menu when we click on a drill-down item. On the main list here, we also have a drill-down link, which is hidden when you move down to one of the other lists. We can nest these as well. So here we can see that we have one level of nested items. It's a little difficult to see because the text is the same, but there are in fact 3 levels right there. Here we have an extra level. So when we go back, we can see the animation more easily. And finally, even one more nested list in our drill down menu. We can also set auto height, so the height will adapt to the number of items in the drill down menu. We can have a parent link in the sub menu, so we can see that the parent link is copied down to this next level here. We can make it click or close on body click like so. Normally you would have to click on the back button up here, not the body. Here we can click the body to close it. Finally, we can make it scroll to the top when we open it up. So it works for all levels here. No matter where we are, when we open up a new level, it will scroll to the top. Great. Let's get started. First we'll create our basic one. So we have the UL tag with the classes menu, drill down, and vertical. These are always vertical. And then we have the data drill down attribute to initialize the JavaScript that's needed for this component. Then we have a list item. Inside this, we add an anchor tag to trigger our submenus. Give it the text drill down menu, close the anchor tag, add one more UL tag with the class menu. Inside of this, we add a bunch of list items, and inside of these, anchor tags with the text drill down item. So this is very similar to the drop down menu and the menu component itself. Now let's copy this list items 2 times, and finally we'll create a drill down link just to show you how this is done. So there's no nested menus for this drill down link. Let's save this, go back into the browser, select the right tab and refresh. Now we see our working drill down menu. Now let's see how we can build a drill down menu with nested drill down menus. First of all, let's copy all of this and paste it in down here. Now we want to copy this code for the menu here. And after our first drill down menu, we want to establish a new level, a new submenu, like so. So this drill down item becomes a trigger for this new submenu. Down here we want to do something similar for our second list item in the drill down menu, and we'll do it one more time to nest one level further down. In the final drill down menu, we'll change the third list item to be a trigger for a new level, a new submenu. We'll do this again, and we'll do it one more last time for the third list item here. So now let's look in the browser how this looks. Refresh. Here we see the first menu with one nested drill down menu. And then we take the second menu with two nested drill down menus. So a total of 3, and then the third menu with 3 nested drill down menus. So a total of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the main one. Finally, we have the drill down link again. All right, let's see how we can change the settings for our drill down menu. To do this, we'll copy the code from up here, paste it down. Now to have the auto hide set, we add the attribute data auto hide with the value true. We'll also use animation for this, so we add the data animate hide with the value true. This can be false as well. Let's save this, go back and refresh. And before we can see this in action, we need to add some extra list items for the 2 other menus, like so. Now we have 3, 4, and 5 list items respectively. Let's go back and refresh. Here we have 3 list items, and then 4, and then 5, and we can see the height adjusting automatically. Now let's see how we can keep the parent link in the submenu. So let's scroll up and copy this default code from our first example, paste it in. Now we'll add the class data parent link, the value true. We'll refresh, scroll down. Now we can see that the drill down menu, the parent link, is copied down to the submenu. If we look up here, we can see that the default way the parent link is not copied to the submenu. So this is a way you can do that. Now let's see how we can make it close on body click. Paste in the same code from before, and we add the data close on click attribute with the value true. Save, go back and refresh. Now when we open it up, we can close it by clicking outside on the body. Finally, let's see how we can make it scroll to top. So to do this, we paste in a code from before, and now we'll change it a little bit. So first, or actually, I have something prepared for you right here. I'll just paste that in instead. First of all, we must have the UL class with the menu, drill down, and vertical classes, and then the data drill down attribute. Now we must also add the data scroll top attribute with the value true. Inside of this UL tag, I'll paste in this code here. Let's take a look quickly what this is. We have a drill down menu with all these drill down items, and the last item is being a trigger for a new nested drill down menu, and the last item of that one is being a trigger for a new nested drill down menu that have even more drill down items. So that's what I just pasted in. Let's save, go back and refresh, scroll down. Now we can see when we open it up, we have this list here, and let's scroll to the top. Let's change the scroll position, open up the second one, scrolls to the top again and reveals the submenu. Let's scroll a bit again, open up the last one, and it scrolls to the top again and reveals all of the list items. So this is how you can make the drill down menu scroll to top when you open and close the submenus. And that was it for the drill down menu component.